Here's a quick tour of one of our vintage Coach Court bags. This one's in black, as you can see. We've got a couple in the Etsy shop at the moment, so I'll go ahead and link this one below as well if you're looking for a court bag. But here's a quick 360 of the bag. It's got a nice slip pocket in the back, perfect for cell phones. And then obviously this little D-ring is used to connect to the strap. And then it's got a top handle up here and brass hardware. So here's a close-up of the front of the bag and also of the strap. It's got the dog leash clasps. And it also came with this little postcard that I guess was used to register the bag, which is kind of cool. This was in the back pocket when I got it. So now I'm going to open it. It's kind of difficult to do with one hand, so I'll just do my best. This is the inside, and then it's got this zip pocket and this other slip pocket, and then the crate is in there, but I don't think it's going to show very well on camera because it's dark, but it is in there. You can also see a photo of it on the Etsy listing if you want. Here's a angle of the top handle and then also the back pocket here. So as I mentioned, I'll go ahead and link this one below, and if you have any questions, please feel free to put them down in the comment section. Thanks so much for watching.